YouTube, welcome to the shop. Got another unboxing today, something I've been looking forward to. A little upgrade to well, something I had died, so we'll see what we got here. Now what we got here is an Ersa I-Con Nano. Never used Ersa before. I've pretty much have used Weller for the last 15 years. A little cheap Weller 40 watt station, I think it was. I don't know. It finally died. Wanted something a little bit more powerful. Also wanted something that had auto off, and I wanted a sensor at the tip for fast recovery. And I also wanted a small iron. This is one of the smallest ones I think on the market. I mean, it's very tiny. It's 80 watts. It is probably, well, not probably, it's equivalent as far as price. It's exact same price as it's a Pico 951. As we'll see here in a second, hopefully, it's supposed to heat up really quick. The stand is interesting because it's it looks like steel, but it's silicone, heat resistant silicone. It ain't gonna move on your desk. Especially if you have an ESD mat like this, it just kind of sticks to it. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be like, why didn't you just get a Pico? I thought about getting the 888D, but I hate that interface. I just don't like it. Also, like I said, I wanted something with a sensor at the tip. And another thing that I don't like about Pico and Weller and a lot of those other ones is, you know, if you want to upgrade to the next level, if you will, you got to buy all new tips. The I-Con line, this is the same soldering iron, same tips, from the I-Con Pico all the way up to their 4-station rework station. Yeah, so I mean, you know, it saves you money there. They are a little bit, the tips are a little bit more expensive, but you know, it is what it is. They're on par, probably. They're a tiny bit more expensive than, say, the 951. I mean, this is not a well-known station in the States here. Let's check out this thing real quick. Well, yep, okay, it's grounded. Well, I got it all wound up, all this damn stuff. So yeah, the tip is grounded. Let's see how fast this thing heats up. One of the interesting things about this, to program this thing, you can see that sucker's heating up. don't know if you can see it or not, actually. It overshot a little bit, but that literally took a few seconds. I mean, not even 10 seconds. Nice. Well, let me get something to solder on. And I keep pushing the damn thing. Damn it. Yeah, nice. Just to give you an idea of just how small this wand is, or the iron itself. There's a pin. I mean, it's pretty damn tiny. You know, that's what I like about it. It's very light. Or one of the things I like about it, it's extremely light. It has a nice cable. It's very flexible. I mean, it's just tiny. You can get into spots. You're not going to get fatigued over it. You know, it's a decent little iron station. Whatever. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'll probably do maybe a little bit more in-depth review of it later. This is just an unboxing, but yeah, let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, comment below.